Hey guys, do you remember me? Your gift guy again. And do you remember in the last episode, I've given out a gift, which is a remote control alloy excavator model to a lucky winner. But now, I'm a little bit in pain because I really miss my excavator model. And what? What is here? What a force in my hand? Oh, maybe his owner is here because the control is always with his owner, right? So let's welcome to his owner, Francisco. So now I think he's here. I can hear his step. Hey, hello, Francisco. Hey, let's do that.
Yeah.
And it's been a long time, I think like 2 weeks, right?
Yeah.
And I heard that last time you told me that you're making a model, right? So what is that?
Yeah, actually after receiving a Sunny gift, I decided to make a cardboard one.
Oh, so you made this paper one according to the excavator I give you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can tell that because they really look alike.
Yeah, I tried to make it similar.
Yes, and I noticed that there are a lot of interesting part like the singridge. So what are they used for?
Actually, this one is the hydraulic part I put in. I wanted to make it remote control as the one I received, but I got a little problem, so I decided to make hydraulic one.
Yeah, because I think this looks really complicated, you know, just like we see in a real model. And so I'm curious that it is fully functioning.
Yeah, it's of course.
Oh, really? So it can really compare to a real one?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's do a context to see how it works, okay?
All right.
Okay, so let's show us how do they work, and I can come closer. Though it's not perfectly working because maybe the ground is too rough and too tough, right?
Yeah, I think the ground is not good.
but I can see the potential of it. But maybe it's too tough and too rough. So maybe she's a girl. Yeah.
I think so. But even this, there is one part which is not cool. Then
but I can see the potential, right? But now let me do a real control using your excavator model. Okay? Let me do the performance. Okay. Just have a look.
All right.
Okay. Come here. Thanks. You can have a look at how I operate it.
Yeah. Perfect.
You can have a look at this one. Yeah. Am I doing good?
Yeah, you can really do
Yeah.
it well.
Yeah, because I'm the father of this excavator. I'm the gift guy, right? Yeah. So now, if you move this one, you can have a try, yeah. Hey guys. Yeah, I know I'm a little bit funny, right? But if you want to win prize, I mean the gift card, so this time comment, I love Sunnywood. I love Sunnywood, and you'll be given a chance to win the gift card. Good luck. So now, let's round it up.
3, 2, 1, stop. Congratulations to these 3 winners, and you will get Amazon gift card worth $50. Congratulations again.